Hey TinkerBlock makers! Today we're learning how to detect different button click patterns, single, double, and triple clicks. This is perfect for creating sophisticated user interfaces with just one button. We're using our TinkerBlock setup, the lonely binary UNO R3, the Shield, and the TK04 push button. But now we're not just detecting presses, we're recognizing patterns. The key concept is timing windows. We use millis to track when each click happens, and we count clicks that occur within a 500 millisecond window. If you click once and wait, it's a single click. If you click twice quickly, it's a double click. Here's the logic. When the first click happens, we start a timer and wait for more clicks. If another click comes within 500 milliseconds, we count it as part of the same pattern. After the time window expires, we process the total number of clicks. The magic is in the timing management. We use variables to track the click count, the last click time, and whether we're waiting for more clicks. This creates a responsive system that can distinguish between intentional patterns and accidental clicks. In the serial monitor, you'll see messages like single click detected or double click detected, based on your click pattern. The system can even detect triple clicks and special patterns. This technique is incredibly powerful. You can use a single button for multiple functions. One click for play, double click for pause, triple click for stop. It's like having multiple buttons in one. Try this. Upload the code, open the serial monitor, and experiment with different click patterns. Watch how the TinkerBlock UNO R3 recognizes your timing and responds accordingly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TinkerBlock tutorials.